Okay, so after viewing the tester, and I'll show you some information in the manual. So now let's test it online. This is a socket of 220 volt European style. We are going to test it. Let's see if it is working good. So it is correct. We have two LED at the right is turning on, so the wiring is correct. Let's see another case. Another case, I just removed the ground. You see, I removed the ground. I removed this ground. So let's test it again and see what happened. You see? Open ground. Only the middle light is turned on, so there is an open ground. This is what happened. This is the ground. They are both grounds. You see, it is open, so the reading is correct. The reading is correct. So let us try another case. Okay, so the second case, the second wire problem, I just opened the neutral, as you can see here. This is the neutral place. I just removed the neutral. Okay. We only now have the ground and phase, the hot wire. So let's test again with the socket, reader or detector and see what's gonna give us. Okay, now what do we have? Look, there is only one LED to the right, which explain open neutral. Open neutral. Hold on a sec. Open neutral, only one light. This is it. And this is exactly what's happening here. This neutral is removed. Let's go now for the next problem. This is the third case. The third case is live neutral reverse. Let's see. This is the live and this is the neutral. and let's see what's the reading giving us. Exactly, they are reversed. We have two LED at the left as you can see here. Sorry. So the wiring of the live and the neutral are reversed. So I think you get the idea. This light here is going to help you read the socket very well and make the correct wiring. That's it. I hope guys you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I see you in another video soon. Take care.